So you actually start out by taking the foam out of the front. I had already started taking stuff out before I remembered to record. So all you need to do is pull down the front door, pull the foam out, then you unscrew each little thing on the right and the left. When I was taking the foam out in the back, I was really worried that I was going to break something, but after getting everything out, I realized there was nothing to worry about. Just pull the foam out. The machine is very sturdy and very well built. The next thing you'll do is take off the tape from the ribbon. I made sure to hold on to the ribbon so that I wasn't tugging on it. I didn't want to pull it out of its place or accidentally rip it. I mean, it is made very well, so I don't know that I could rip it, but I didn't want to chance it. All right, the next thing we do is take off the plastic tab that's holding the print head, I guess, bottom? I'm not sure what that's called, but the metal piece that's going to hold the print head, it's holding everything in place. Then you push it back and you remove the rubber stops on each side. I forgot to record that part, but it's super simple. Then you put in the crumb tray. Please do not put it in backwards like I did. I do end up turning it around once I realized what I had done. See? Fixed. All right, now it's time to put in the print head. I don't know why I keep calling it print head. It's the laser portion of it. Anyway, when you're grabbing this, make sure that you're only touching the black painted pieces. Make sure you're not touching the side piece there. I was so worried I was going to, so I was like fumbling around a little bit, but we got it. It was all right. Now, when you are installing this, it is magnetic, so make sure that you're looking towards the side so that you can see that you're lining everything up correctly, and don't bump it around like I did. I was so worried that I was going to mess something up, and then that happened, but it turned out all right, and I did get it hooked up correctly. Next, you want to grab the pieces and very carefully move it forward, move everything side to side, make sure that nothing is binding up, make sure that everything is moving slowly, and then return it back to center. After that, we hook up the vent hose. Make sure that your unit is pulled far enough away from the wall that it's not going to crush it. I did actually buy an inline fan for mine. I didn't want to spend the money on the Glowforge filter. You can if you want to, or you can just vent it right out the window. I wanted to make sure that no matter what we're cutting, it's getting pushed out the window really, really well. I didn't want any of the fumes or smells staying in the room. Now you plug it in and turn it on. You're gonna hear some bubbling, some movement, which basically just sounds like a loud printer. Then when the light turns teal, that's when you know that you're able to connect to your computer and then connect it to Wi-Fi and start printing. Overall, it was a super simple setup. It was really easy to get going and do the first test print. The first test print we chose was a free file from Glowforge. The alignment on it was fine. That was actually my fault. I wasn't paying attention to how close it was to the edge on the screen. So I've gotten better at that. But the first test print went really well. It was super simple and easy. Glowforge definitely is plug and play. I don't know that it can get any easier. If you're interested in purchasing your own Glowforge, I do have a referral link. I will put it in the description below. It can save you up to $500 off of your purchase. I believe the $500 is off of the Pro, and then there are smaller amounts for the Plus and the Basic. Either way, it's really great savings. All you need to do is click on the link, choose which one you want, and it'll show you the amount that you get off. Thank you so much for watching the setup and test print of my Glowforge Pro. I really appreciate it. If you could please like and subscribe to the channel, I will be putting out new videos of what I come up with and create on the Glowforge.